Starting an online business can seem like a daunting task, especially for beginners. But with the right guidance and a clear plan, anyone can successfully launch their own online venture. The first step is to identify your niche and target audience. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you possess that can be valuable to others? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to research your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and pain points? Understanding your audience is crucial for creating products or services that will resonate with them. Next, you'll need to choose a business model. There are several options to consider, such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Each model has its own pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your goals and resources. Once you have chosen a business model, it's time to create a business plan. This will outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your online business and help you stay on track. Now it's time to build your online presence. This includes creating a website, social media profiles, and other online platforms where you can connect with your audience. Your website should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your business and engaging with your audience. Choose the platforms that are most relevant to your target audience and create a consistent brand presence across all channels. Once your online presence is established, it's time to create and launch your products or services. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services, it's important to deliver value to your customers. Make sure your products are high quality, your pricing is competitive, and your customer service is top-notch. Building trust with your audience is key to long-term success in the online business world. Marketing is another crucial aspect of starting an online business. There are many ways to promote your products or services, such as social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Experiment with different strategies to see what works best for your business. Consistent and targeted marketing efforts will help you reach your target audience and drive sales. As your online business grows, it's important to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Analyze your website traffic, sales data, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Stay up to date on industry trends and changes in the online marketplace to stay competitive. Continuously learning and evolving is essential for long-term success in the online business world. Starting an online business may seem overwhelming at first, but with the right mindset and guidance, anyone can turn their passion into a profitable venture. By identifying your niche, creating a solid business plan, building a strong online presence, delivering value to your customers, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can set yourself up for success in the online business world. Remember, starting an online business is a journey, not a destination. Stay focused, stay motivated, and never stop learning and growing.